Today we're going to be teaching you how to properly remove your center lock wheels from a Porsche GT3. First, we're going to pop the hood, then remove the plastic cover. After that, you will see the small compartment holding your center lock tool wheel socket. And you will need a large torque wrench for this job. Set your torque wrench to 443 foot-pounds of torque. Next, use your pick tool to remove the center cap from your wheel. Press the center locking pin to unlock the wheel. Next, you're going to jack your car up. Be sure to use the designated jack point you see here. Then you are going to want to start the vehicle and have someone press down the brake while you undo the center lock. Once you have the wheel off, wipe down the center lock as well as the wheel. Use some grease and apply it to the center lock as well as the wheel. You can now place your wheel back on, as well as your center lock. Press down the center locking pin in order to twist the center lock the rest of the way on. Take your torque wrench set to 443 foot-pounds and tighten it down. You're then going to back it off a little bit, then fully tighten it down in order to make sure it seats properly. Twist the center locking pin until you see it from sunken in to flush. You can then place your center cap back on the wheel. Lower the car back down. Wipe any excess grease from the wheel, and you have now successfully removed and reinstalled a center lock wheel.